2014 Silverado. The left side actuator for the AC. Driver side randomly blows hot or stays stuck hot. The actuator, that one right there. And we're gonna take off the computer that's here and this computer that's here so we can fit our hand in there and get it out. Unplug this. And then these two 7s. This cover is in there. You push it here up and then you can pop it out. I do have the battery disconnected. That's one bolt right here. And on the opposite side, there's another bolt, and then the plug is right there. So one bolt here. That's the plug. On the opposite side of this one is the other bolt. I'm gonna see if I can sneak these out with this one. I'm gonna get the back one first because that's the harder one, and then I'll try to get the front one. All right, got it out. So this is the screw in front that I showed you. This is the one in the rear. I just snuck my hand in through here around the back with the ratchet and basically just put it on there and just took it off as far as I could, then grabbed it with my hand and pulled it out. Make sure you don't drop it. So this is the new one, same brand, Vallejo. We're gonna do the same thing. Just I'm gonna plug it in. After I took it off, I moved it and then pushed the button here and pulled it out. So I'm gonna plug it in first, then I'll mount it, put the screws back, and I'll be back. All right, that is the back screw, and this is the front screw. So basically, I was able to put my hand through here through the ratchet, in through here, and grab this one here and the back one over there. We got it on. I'm gonna run a calibration, and it should be good. Just need to put all this stuff back together. These, in case you don't remember, they are marked. So green, brown, black, gray. So that just basically sits in place, and then we're gonna put this one back, slide it in, snap it. We get the bracket back in. This one just slides in. There's a tab in there. This tab right here. You push that up to take it out. Just plug everything back in, put all this back. We should be good.